know that God and the universe have a plan for us and brought us together at the perfect time.
Our shared moments and adventures are one of the foundations of our love, and I eagerly commit to a lifetime of creating more memories by your side.
Like seas, I get lost inside your eyes.
Theresa and Jake, we are overjoyed that you have found each other as co-pilots as you take off into the next adventure of your lives.
Doesn't move when I'm with you.
Jake, our day is finally here. You have transformed my life. Falling in love with you has been my greatest adventure. In you, I have found a partner in life, my safe place. We could be at any corner of the world and I would still feel like home.
I wouldn't want it to.
What I appreciate the most about us is our unconditional love for each other. You love me for me. I see that in all that you do, and I promise to always love you unconditionally. No matter what life may bring, you are my person. One day, when I tell my story, it will begin and end with how much I love you. Whatever may come, I know I am with you. I choose you today, forever, and always.
You have brought my sister so much joy and happiness. I mean, flying, indulging her foodie side, and all of the ventures you guys have been on. She's one happy girly.
Theresa, this is because of you. He is the happiest that I've ever seen him. I'm so happy that you found your partner in crime, your voice of reason, and also his medical power of attorney.
Your captivating smile caught my attention the day we met. With admiration for your intelligence, I promise to support and encourage your pursuits, knowing we grow stronger together. With our furry companions by our side, I promise to embrace the warmth they bring to our home and nurture a loving family. Together, we embark on a journey of continuous growth, eagerly learning and evolving as a team. I hope our shared curiosity and the pursuit of new experiences strengthen the bond that unites us, making every step forward a delightful adventure. I promise to always make you laugh on good days and bad. You have the brains and the beauty. I didn't think I could have it all, and then I met you. I love you. Oh my gosh, hi. It looks so good. Wow.
By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
I'm happy to celebrate their union.
Here's to your success as a couple. Best wishes to you both.
To Theresa and Jake, and the greatest love story ever written.
It's a beautiful